Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. You might notice a smoky haze in the sky in this video. Smoke from wildfires burning in northern Canada has drifted into the area. It's something many parts of Canada experience during the summer months. Welcome to Terrace Bay, Ontario, a small town with a big view of Lake Superior. This place was built in the 1940s as a company town for the pulp and paper industry, with workers coming here to work at the local mill. The name Terrace Bay comes from the natural rock terraces along the shoreline, where the land steps down toward the water like giant stone stairs. One of the highlights here is the Terrace Bay Lighthouse, a replica of the famous lighthouse on Slate Islands, which sits right in the middle of town. From the top of the hill you get an incredible panoramic view of the lake and the rugged shoreline. Just a short drive away, Agua Saban Falls and Gorge is a must-see, with its powerful waterfall dropping into a deep canyon. The town is surrounded by endless forest, making it a great spot for hiking and nature watching. Whether you're here for a quick stop or to explore the trails and beaches, Terrace Bay is a place that will leave you with amazing memories. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Terrace Bay, Ontario.